Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Terabox to Telegram so you can access your files quickly and easily. This method is fast, safe, and doesn't require logging in or dealing with ads. To get started, open your browser and search for Terabox Downloader. Make sure you find the official bot link so you don't end up on any fake websites. Once you have the link, open your Telegram app on your desktop. In Telegram, search for the Terabox Downloader bot and tap Start to activate it. You'll see a welcome message from the bot confirming it's ready to help. Next, go to your Terabox account and copy the file link you want to access. This could be a video, a document, or any file you've stored. Then return to the bot in Telegram. You can either paste the link directly or type /link followed by your Terabox URL. After sending it, the bot will start processing your file. Depending on the size of the file, this may take a few seconds or a minute. Once it's ready, the bot will give you options to download or stream the file directly inside Telegram. You can even forward the download to your friends or groups if you want to share it. The best part is you don't need to open Terabox, log in, or deal with any ads. Everything happens right inside Telegram. If you have multiple files, just repeat the same steps for each link. The bot supports almost all file types, including videos, images, documents, and even compressed folders to avoid any issues and to get the smoothest experience possible. And that's it. You now have fast, easy access to all your Terabox files directly in Telegram. It's perfect for watching videos on the go, downloading important documents, or just keeping your files handy without opening Terabox every time. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy connecting!